Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ANDY70B token. Now this is an AI based token here. It's on the Solana blockchain, very popular project, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, December 19th. On a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the ANDY70B token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is on the Solana blockchain, like I mentioned earlier. So if you are looking for this token, you can find it on SolScan. But if you're looking for the price and the chart and all the statistical information, you can find this token on Birdeye. You can also find it on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, maybe CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Now, according to DEX Tools here, they have 6,460 holders so far, so they are doing very well here. Now, their market cap right now, $32 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They're actually trending number 13 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $24.5 million. Just today, they've had 45,582 transactions. Now, they have been doing some marketing on DEX Screener. It says they have the Marketing Boost 100 Lightning Bolts ads button live today, so that's probably helped them a little bit. It's been a very popular token since it came out. I saw it trending a lot. And it was just announced that this token will be listed today. We got December 19th at 11 a.m. UTC time, which has just passed. So it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ANDY70B, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, sometimes they have Kickstarter events for tokens on Mexc. This one basically just went right to listing on Mexc. There was no Kickstarter event. And yeah, so it is live now on Mexc. And if you want to check out the other videos I posted yesterday and today, you're going to find a whole bunch of other huge projects being listed on Mexc Global today and tomorrow. So make sure you check out those projects as well. So according to Mexc Global, it just says ANDY70B is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Now there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And if you look on DEX Tools, you can find to see if, yeah, so they have right now 965 looks like 38 million tokens is the total supply and circulating supply. So it's a deflationary token, and that's why it is a little bit less than a billion right now. And yeah, so token price today, 3.2 cents per token. That's obviously going to fluctuate. Very popular project. They have $955,000 worth of liquidity in Radium right now. And according to DEX Screener, 99.72% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. There's two different liquidity providers for Radium. This token came out 1 month, 25 days ago. Still going super strong here. Now, if you want to get this token in a decentralized way, maybe you don't want to use a central exchange for whatever reason, you can also get this token off of Radium by, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, a MetaMask wallet, Soulflare wallet, or Phantom wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their... I wonder if you could find it on the Twitter here. So the Twitter's in the corner of the screen right here. They actually just posted the new Mexc global listing announcement on here. So they do have the Sol scan linked on that Mexc global listing announcement. Or you can find it on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Sol scan. But just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably won't have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. And you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees. And this token could be available on Meteora, Jupiter, and Orca, which are other DEXs. Now their Twitter right here at ANDY70B Sol _ has a link to the infinitebackrooms.com where you could see a conversation. And this is the scenario. It says terminals of truth. The following is an automated conversation between two instances, and you could check out this whole like AI conversation on here. So that's what this token is based off of, and you can see that they mention ANDY70B throughout this conversation, and there's that little picture there with the dollar signs and ANDY70. And yeah, so check out that conversation if you want to. It's I'm not going to read the whole thing for no reason, but you can check that out. And it says here, they just joined Twitter December 2024, 819 followers, only 9 tweets so far. They got some links also for the Goatse Infinite Backrooms conversation in their pinned tweet there, and others, so you could check those out as well. You can also follow their Telegram at ANDY70B Portal. 328 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. And then also, let's see here, they have a quick audit. There's actually been a community takeover too for this token just 2 days ago. It says the First Truth Terminal Coin community takeover December 17th CTO. And so you can see the original profile on Telegram, what's it called? DEX Screener. And then they have a quick audit that has no warnings on it too by Quick Intel Security, and you can find that on DEX Tools. But yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.